Skamash! Chef Bartlett in the house. All right. So when I was a bit younger, once upon a time I got straight A's in lower school. And my mother, Mama Jean Bartlett, rewarded me with a rack of lamb. And the whole family told me I needed to make more straight A's because, let's face it, lamb is delicious. So today we make rosemary lamb chops with mint jelly sauce. I'm sort of a sauce guy. I find it embellishes flavors. Now, I'm not the guy that puts the ketchup on the steak. I've gotten into many arguments about that with people. It doesn't make them bad people. We have to enjoy the flavors for the reasons that we enjoy them. I like to bring out the flavors of whatever you're eating. I find that anything mint jelly and lamb is absolutely scrumptious. So, we got 2 lamb chops. We got oil, pepper, black truffle sea salt, and mint jelly, and rosemary, the forgotten spice. So, here we go. Oil. Oil. Rosemary. Rosemary. Go ahead and salt and pepper it up. And now we flip. Well, get it in there, you know what I'm saying. Repeat process. Your oil is just going to make everything stick a little better. Make sure it's all in there nice. Don't be afraid to flip it a few times and just get it all in there, all nasty like. Yeah. Make it sexual if you have to. This can set for as long as you want. I just go straight to pan. More to come. Chef Bartlett in the house. Let's get cooking. We're gonna oil our pan. We're on very high heat. As always, we want to hear that sizzle. Y'all want to hear what sizzle sounds like? Oh, God. Double, oh my God. We're gonna hit these for about 2 minutes per side, and then we're gonna go to the broiler. So 2 minutes, sleep, 2 minutes. Chef B in the house. All right. Rosemary lamb chops. I got some tones. We're gonna flip it. Guys, real quick, if you haven't cooked with rosemary before, I wish you could smell this house right now. It is the forgotten spice that makes the entire household smell amazing. I'll let you watch me take it in. All right, now we flip. Oh, look at that. A little bit of char. Already smells amazing. Two minutes, and then we'll go to the broiler. Chef Bartlett in the house. We are going to go ahead and put this in the broiler. Spend 2 minutes, plenty of sear. Let's finish these puppies. All right. Chef Bartlett in the house. Time for the lamb reveal. Woo! Come on, smoke. Yeah, you know, lamb is near and dear to me because of my mother, the late Jean Scott Bartlett. She instilled in me that if I got good grades, she would feed me well. Obviously it worked. And I learned how to cook as a result. And we cooked a lot of dishes together, and it's followed me throughout my career of academia. You know, a lot of you all don't know this. I went to a prestigious school here in Memphis, Tennessee. I went to Rhodes College, where I got a few degrees in various music and business and business management. And in a lot of ways, I guess it started with lamb, which is like the strangest thing ever. But, you know, I think that hard work should reward you in some capacity. And whatever my mom instilled in me that fateful day when I had the lamb, I guess it worked. So let's cut into this. Oh, that's how you want it. Just a touch of the red. Now, the further in you go, it'll be a little more red, but you're gonna get a little bit of this mint jelly. I'm done. It just doesn't get better than that, y'all. Holy God. It reeks of adolescence.
Oh my God!
Well, the mint jelly. They make a jalapeno mint jelly that's absolutely to die for, because they were out of that.
Camera guy here. My God!
Not messing around. Man, that's delicious. Tastes like home. If y'all dig culinary, anything cooking related, please like and subscribe. And I hope you dug this dish. Peace.